This is the EcoFlow E980 and it's a portable power station. This is the unboxing video. Let's do this. First thing we have is a manual. We'll look into it later. It has this form. I'll be tempted and answer quick. And then we have the EcoFlow products. Yeah, it's heavy. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to stand for this. Just have to take this out. 1,000 years later. Yeah, here it is. Wait, let it stay here for a bit. What else do we have inside the box? We have the, I don't know what is inside here. Let's see. We have the charger for the EcoFlow. The box, I love the box. The box, very sleek box. I love it. We have the charger, the power cable. I'm guessing this is a cable that you'll use to charge the device from your car. And then this other one is the one that you'll use to charge it using your solar. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on TikTok, make sure you go over to my YouTube channel so that you can subscribe. Hit the plus button, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, guys, peace out. Peace out for real.